what are you trying to do on the internet? Like, what's your goal? Do you have a goal?
So,
Yes.
hey, Ray, man, what you trying to do on the internet, man? Do you have a goal? And what's your goal? Qui sont appréciés fait sur internet là? Qui mission gain sur internet là, man? Qui rêve ou qui sont arrivés réaliser sur internet là, man, Ray?
Make money.
Get the bag.
Yeah.
Get the bag.
Yo, kon goal moi, man. Make money, man.
Et encore.
Fais l'argent. Pas te regarder bien sérieux. Yeah, get the bag. Yeah, get the bag.
Go with values.
Hey. Yo, Jack, qui mission sur internet ça?
Fais l'argent. Bah, fanatique vidéo, il fait l'argent.
Get money, get the bag.
Yes.
Tu te font émission tout ouais tout nèg qui gen l'esprit yo kon motivation yo kon. Ouais record vient en musique avant elle dit I'm only here for the money.
Tout ça fait pour l'argent.
Pour l'argent. So Ray, get the bag, man. Pour l'argent, man.
Even on skate.
That's all right.
Hey, what do you?
Yeah, that's all. C'est pas vrai. That's all right. C'est ça. C'est tout ça, hein.
Yeah.
Get the bag.
You just go by Ray online?
Ray, they call me Rayquan. They call me Chun Ray.
Hey yo, did you go by Ray online or what? Est-ce que non sur internet là c'est Ray ou hello tout bon man? J'ai dit yeah, I go by Rayquan. You can really wake Rayquan too.
Yeah.
You know?
What would you
They
prefer?
call me
if I were to,
they call me
Taiwan Terror. The terror of
Captain of Taiwan.
Yeah.
all right, I got an intro.
Yeah.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the captain of
Tyrone.
Hey yo, I got an intro. Bon ba Bazio là on ti introduction de ou même man. It's the captain of Taiwan. Nou gen captain Taiwan. Nakala. Ba tout ti bravo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tyrone.
Tyrone.
It's the captain of Taiwan, Ray.
It's the captain of Taiwan, Ray. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, y'all?
What's up, yeah? Ça te passe là?
What's Taiwan like, dude? I didn't know you were the captain.
That shit's ass.
Hey yo, what is Taiwan like, dude? Man, I didn't know you was the captain. Hey, comment vit au Taiwan là, man? Bat qu'on est captain dans les lotes, non man. Ready, qui ça? That shit ass. Taiwan, il pas en med, non man. That shit ass.
That's my country, but I have to say, bro.
Hey yo, that my country, but I have to say, bro, that's an ass. Ça est pays, man. Fumble la vérité, femme.
Everybody's NPCs. Dead. Nobody there. Germany.
Yo, it's dead. Pack up his soin, nobody's there. Personne pas là.
Was there, but it's just that, bro.
Is it? Let me ask you something.
Yo, man, back when come up man, he just bad, bro. Taiwan pass one, man.
Is Taiwan gonna get invaded by China?
Yo, Ray, is Taiwan gonna be invaded by China, man? That's what I say. La Chine, ils vont la pas attaquer nous, ils vont prendre tout petit jet pour nous. Taiwan, man. That's what I say ça. Monsieur pas rentrer dans la politique, non, monsieur.
I don't know nothing about that shit.
Because they produce a lot.
Hey, I don't know nothing about that shit. Yo, boy, I'm back on that this too. Hey,
Mon cher, qu'est-ce qu'on fout, les gars, là?
I don't know nothing about
A lot of coming from a place like Taiwan where you just said like everyone has a flat ass. That's what you said, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to put words in your mouth.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what's up with Taiwan, man. Everybody got flat ass, man. Tout le monde yo boit sans bouda, man. Bouda au plat, man.
You're sexy.
I'm sexy, that bouda au plat, quoi. That's how it. Just how it look and see, oh, man. Yeah, like you said, man, you're coming from a place, where people got flat ass, man. Those are your words, man. I'm not trying to put the words in your mouth. Jean ap di a ou soti non pays moun yo se bouda plat yo gen. Excusez m tou paske sa se nan mot sa ou nan bouche yo soti pa mwen kap di yo. Jean di a
I'm just saying what you said. When you came to
se
America,
repete man repete so di a. Plus when you come to America, lò vin trouve tèt ou an Amerik la, an New US.
what did you see that you liked, like specifically about the people?
What did you see that you like specifically about the people? Lò fèk vin aux États-Unis, ki bagay vraiment spécifique ou te remen de moun yo nan lèl la men.
Yeah.
You wagen flat ass. C'est ça m'dam djou.
Yeah, go with that young for. That's why you va négocier petit formule bois non.
Non, il va négocier Bouddha.
Mon cher, go négocier ça New York encore man.
Il va négocier Bouddha, man. You know what I'm saying?
It was different.
It was just different, man.
It's just so different. Like the whole, like I can like when I first come here,
Them fake part, like when I first came
I'm
here.
like, damn, I have to move here. It's like lit.
I'm like, damn, I have to move here, man, because it's lit. The cat from being rated dans les boys, I can't, man, parce qu'il est trop lit, man.
What city first?
Atlanta.
Hey, what city first? Qui premier côté ou tomber dans l'Amérique, là, man? Yo m'tombe dans Atlanta, man, pays go Bouddha, man.
Allez,
You know what I'm saying? She got a fat ass. Hey, go back there. Go back there, quand je go dans le flot, je dis, yeah, man. On est blanc, je tombe au film, je dis, yeah, man. Et je a décrit from là, premier bagage, je dis comme ça. Je dis, là, yeah, she got a big ass, a fat ass. On connaît depuis le marché. Go with that. You know what I'm saying? So blanc, était blanc, dit, hey. When I think of it, something usually coming out of it. Qui veut dire, moi-même, où je t'ai parlé de Bouddha, man. Moi-même, depuis que je pense de Bouddha, gon bagay kap sotan dal.
Depuis que je pense de lui. Regarde, on va get dans la Bouddha.
Bouddha, man. Là, dis, tout obsession ça, Bouddha. Même depuis me pense de Bouddha, même sur l'autre bagay, moi, kap sorti là dedans, man. Son bout de caca, man.
Blanc, quand tu caca, ça dit là, Bouddha.
Oui, dis, yo, même bouche ça, Bouddha.
Blanc, ça chat, oui, man.
On est
Oui.
Bouche ça, Bouddha, man. T'allez, man.
Pour ça, Blanc, on a fait Bouddha, depuis on a fait non.
Oui, depuis on a tété.
Oui, on va négocier tété.
Di Bouddha, man. Ou chita ou sel bagay Bouddha dans tête tout, man. Même de bosser de Bouddha, c'est un bagay qui saute là dans lui, man.
Nah, not really.
You ever been
But it's
back?
cool. I feel like home because I live here. But yeah, I just want to move here. Like when I first come here, I want to move here. I'm still in high school and shit. I go to school every single day. Shit boring as hell.
Yo, man, when I first moved here, man, when I first came here, I want to move here. Depuis dem pas touché te am ket man vin rete là, man. You know?
Dude, it's your story is pretty crazy, Ray. Jokes aside, because you're really funny, but dude, you're also so young.
Yo, Ray, man, your story is really crazy, man. You really funny and you're also so young, man. Histoire là vaut vraiment intéressant, man. Vous sont qui vraiment funny. Et en même temps, man, vous jeune en pile tout, man. So
Happened? You were in Taiwan and you just started streaming yourself?
Nah.
what happened, man? You was in Taiwan and started streaming yourself? Comment t'es, man? Ça te ou t'es chita à Taiwan dans pays et pour tap stream ou bien pas comprendre qu'est-ce que t'as fait?
I don't know. I wasn't even streaming. I just in high school. I'm just a random kid in
I
high.
wasn't streaming, man. I was in high school, just a regular kid, man. Pas tap stream, no, man. C'est l'école, t'es just un petit monde régulier comme ça, you know?
So you're just a random kid who met Kai Cenat on a live stream?
So you just a random kid that met Kai Cenat on a live stream. So dis-moi son petit monde vraiment comme ça qui rencontré Kai Cenat.
Yeah, qui s'en quand même.
Yeah, son pas de gros boss ou même ou est monter online et pour mettre Kai Cenat. Ça te passe, man.
Cenat. You calling Kai Cenat?
Kai Cenat? Qu'est-ce qu'on dit Kai Cenat? You call him Kai Cenat? Qu'est-ce qu'on dit Kai Cenat ou les monsieur?
That's what he calls him, yeah.
Kai Cenat.
Yeah, that's what he calls him. C'est ça, monsieur, comme ça les monsieur, man. Yeah, Kai Cenat, man.
That's what he calls
What do you call him?
What do you call him? Ou même comment il est là? On est bon, c'est
Non,
monsieur non, monsieur.
Kai Cenat.
Kai Cenat.
Kai Cenat.
Yeah, Kai Cenat, monsieur. Kai Cenat. Kay Sene.
Yeah,
like-
he gives it like a French,
like a
almost
little French twist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you bon ti bay, kom si son ti bay fransè, men. Bon ti fransè, wap se Kay Sene.
So you just met.
I've been calling my daddy.
But I've been calling him my daddy, man. But problem do, man, Kay Cenat se papa. Mrele m se papa, man. I've been calling him my daddy.
Si moun dis de vek apre lolot 22 ans, my dad.
Non, sa tou, but e ka enet la ki bal tout opportunité. Kote liye ya.
Oh, yeah, nasa sa, but on gade.
Pull up Kay Cenat. I bom chans nek sa tou. Mdap rele my daddy too.
Oh, clearly. Oh, I wish.
Goddamn, young Jack. You older than me, gang.
Yeah, shut the fuck. You're my
That's
daddy,
it,
man.
You my daddy, gang.
and that's it.
I don't know nothing, man. I don't know nothing. You gave me money?
You're my daddy.
You my daddy, gang.
You shut the fuck.
Yeah.
I call you daddy.
Look up, man. You gave me big money.
Oh, yeah.
Gang. Every day I'm on live stream.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing, man.
You my daddy.
You my
man.
daddy, gang.
Hey, let's go. Sorry, boys.
Mike calls me that.
I did that for a while too.
Dash,
Yeah,
never
back in
doing shit.
2017.
Yeah, Mike's did that too, man. Yeah, I did that shit for a while too, man. Back in 2017. Yeah. Pat de shit that ki ge kasket la di yo mte fè misye sa tou, men. Mfe sa pou an pil tan, men ne sa mabzo la. Paske mi se te gen kom elit rentre la gen plan. E te gen el dadi tou, men. Je di yo mfe mgen lo, mfe pil tan mapre le misye.
I guess somebody but still
Oh, that was some Diddy shit. You feel me?
Ales.
Yeah, man. Well, yo, what up, Pops?
Gang.
What up, Pops, man? Ki ba ay gangs an e? Bap ki te lot neg yo di gang. I did yo, Pops, man. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate you, Pops. You know what I'm saying? I just said it 30, man. Pops, let me hold some, Pops. Oh, fool, man. Ele bla, man. Dat map strip, dat bal la, man.
Ah, mwen chè.
Gari le do la.
Mwen chè nou, men. Nou ta pou oblige va ele chwa, nou.
A di papi jous, ba sonje, non, men. Ba sonje ki dem defo, non, ba si.
Gade gen, yo ane.
Ba sonje ki dem defo, non.
It's been a while. We've been working together a long time, dude.
I can tell. The beers.
Yeah, we had beards, no beards.
I don't know. I can never grow my beard. I don't know how.
Too young.
Cause I'm Asian.
Too young.
Hey, yo, man, I don't know, man. I can never grow my beards, man, you know. I don't know why. Because I'm Asian. Yo, men se mwen nou gen bab, men. Ba hone mwen men. Ba jem ka fe bab mwen grandi, no, men. Sa te fe sa. Gan le va se m chinois.
Chinois e bab, no?
Oui. Chinois we figi pou boti, men.
Yeah, chinois movie system, boy.
Yeah, mse di, so ap di la. Gan le va se m chinois, men.
No, I don't think you'll ever be able to grow a beard.
I can never grow hair like
She
here.
nah, man, I don't think you ever gonna be able to grow a beard. Mbak wap jem nan la vo ka grandi yon bab nan. Damn, I can't grow it till like right here, man. Bak a men feli la, men. Men mon ti ba,
Oh, I try to
men.
grow hair. I
No,
try to see
you
how it
actually,
look.
you actually, you know what you should do?
I'm trying to grow
This
a
is
hair.
like-
You saw ass?
No,
I'm trying
you
to go ahead, make it, connect right here. But yeah, you know what you should do, man. You actually, bom djou sa pou fè. Di, ki sa? Eat some ass. Manje bouda? Manje bouda.
Le kaka e ze.
Wè mi se tout de ba, bouda. Wè mi devin fout tande bouda men sou bagay. Kap sot la del.
I think everyone can probably get equally canceled.
What would get you canceled?
Do it now.
Y'all gonna get me canceled? Nah, please don't, bro.
No, we're not gonna do it.
no.
Yo, Ray, men, na pale ge bay fò atensyon, men. Na sem kwen, men, ou va ta bezwen yo. Cancel sou internet la, no, men. You ka boykoto, men. You ka cancel, mse di, men, ya boys, ya gonna get me cancel? Na fe yo cancel, mse, please don't. Pa fe. Sou internet la manje, mse.
E pa fe sa.
Pa fe, mke va fe
On the show, Ray. It will
okay.
not be on the show.
We don't get to decide who gets canceled either, by the way. We have no
Wait,
say
what
in
happened
that.
to what happened to you? Yours like cancel shit,
What happened with me?
Yeah.
I mean, how much time you got?
huh?
How much time you got?
A lot.
The list goes on and on.
So, what happened with you? Did you get cancelled? Ça te passe ou même? You te cancel sur internet là? J'ai dit, yeah, man. Sou gan pil tam ka explique ou, man. J'ai dit, yeah, I'm gan pil tam, man. I got a lot, man.
brother. Like,
He's been to Asia once.
Japan, and the tree. Wait, but how you got cancelled? Though? Like you didn't even do it.
Yo, how did you get cancelled, bro? Misi ap chanje topic. How you get cancelled? Dis-moi comment fait. How did you get cancelled, bro? Comment fait te cancel, bro? Dis
Oh, that's
non, man.
like bad, like Black
Huh?
History, some shit.
Like, exactly. Exactly.
Damn.
Black history.
I've made some.
Is it Black History or something? Est-ce que t'as le fait mauvais commentaire des histoires noires, yo, man? Ou some shit.
mistakes.
Yeah, me too. I say some bad shit before.
Have you experienced any consequences of your mistakes?
Yeah,
What that mean?
man, yeah, but yeah, me too, man. Moi-même too, man. I said some bad too, man. Je dis, have you ever faced consequences of your bad decision? Est-ce que you te beau pénalité pour ça dire consequences pour you te
Like,
cancel?
has anything bad happened to you because of something you did
Yeah.
online? What happened?
Has anything bad happened to you because of something that you did online? Est-ce que you te fait un bagay mal? Des ou yo bon en conséquence parce que tu fais un bagay mal sur internet là, man. Yeah.
My dick.
Sorry.
What was that one?
Like on my dick.
Who?
Internet.
Oh, everybody gets up on your shit.
Yeah.
And
They
then-
hop up.
Yeah. They always on my. So far, c'est parler gars dit yo, hey, get off my dick. One of them a dit yo, la get
Yeah.
So far, c'est parler, j'ai dit yeah, man. Et samedi à tout le monde get on my dick. Just
You can't be able to get
yeah,
this.
okay, bebul geni, man. You pas fait la get bul geni. So ce qui veut dire y a tout mentel. You know, gars a dit yo, man, get off my dick. Or start riding my dick.
Yeah. But you never lost no brand
suck
deals. This,
Oh, brand
Yo,
deal.
but you never lost no brand deal or nothing. But ça pas t'arriver ou t'es perdu, you know, et deal que ou gen avec compagnie et tout ça, non?
Nah. I don't think so.
Nah.
Can I ask
Pas de
how you
fait,
make money?
I stream.
Hey, yo, can I ask how you make money, Ray? Comment on fait l'argent, man? Ray dit, stream, man. Stream qui fait me faire quoi, boy, man? That's it, man. I stream, B.
Can you tell me exactly how you make money by streaming?
Like you stream.
Yo, tell me how you exactly make money by streaming. Dis-moi exactement comment faire l'argent dans stream là, man. I stream.
It's like revenue, ads.
Yo bon l'argent pour stream moi. Et puis yo bon l'argent pour ads qui c'est réclame qui monte pendant stream.
Yeah.
Et que ça le fait l'argent encore.
Sub. You
Et
feel me?
puis
That's
he got subs, moun qui subscribe sub.
Yeah, ça son l'autre.
Sur channel yo, ça sont l'autre et somme des comme encore.
they all come to the revenue.
Are you
They
making
all come to revenue, tout ça au calculé, à revenu qui me fait, man.
guap? Like money, good money?
Are you
Yeah,
making
yeah.
are you making guap key, you know, good money, pile l'argent, the bag guap, you know. Yeah, me fait bon l'argent, man. So bad là, man. Je suis ré, man.
That's why I moved here.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I move here. Peut-être ça
Wait,
me
but
move en
mine
Amérique,
good
man.
money.
Parce que you fait good money, man.
Yeah,
I do the grab, man. I get the guap, man. But
It's probably not y'all good money.
don't do, man. My good money probably not your good money. Ça qui me really bon comme qui me fait, pas même ça car.
Pas bon quoi pour.
Yeah, morceau pain, ti crasé pain lié pour nous, mais
Pour nous, yeah.
ouais.
Là, bien valé là.
our good money's
Yeah, good
different.
money is probably
Our
right.
shit's different too.
Yeah, man, yeah. Our good money probably different. Yeah, l'argent nous really bon l'argent, il différent pour nous. Tu voles ça on a tout bagage. Mi c'est boxer. Il gagne pas cash. Like ça un bon millionnaire.
That pile de.
Non, c'est un pile.
Bay pour am ça.
Yeah.
Bay ya boy sa bouteille ça là.
C'est lui loup, il a levé, take off oui. Yeah.
Allez.
Yeah, nèg yo dépenser pile comme dans bail ça. Yeah, man.
Good money's
It's
not.
like good money.
Pour yo lié. Pour des fois, ouais.
Et pour yo, E ben be kay Cenat.
Gon lot frère, oui.
Gon lot?
Oui, monsieur Rogan and Rogan et Logan. Paul.
Li pa la, li pa la.
L'autre là-bas là. So, compagnie.
E ben li kay yo si be bay kay Cenat.
Yeah, tout nek kap chim yo, an pil nan yo. Peut-être samedi, yo man, Logan, where you at, man?
Rakay, man sak fe Rey. Man sak fe Rey get again.
Yo, man.
Rey again.
Yo, Logan, I'm you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to work, gang.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Send me something. You know, I have it here.
Oh, I'm shit.
You know, Haitian, we drink prime too, baby.
Let's get Charge you là.
Man. You know what I'm saying? We drink prime. Nous tap drink it. We would drink it different though. We gonna Haitian. When that feel flip it, nous tap drink it. Ali man. Nous gonna. Même jeune gars buy ragaman man.
You da feel you da buy was
Oh, course man. You know, look. Young Jack, baby. Map 10 ni man. Papi just stop quitter link là. Map Young Jack.
That's good.
Holla.